Alright, so what I'm doing is those logs that I cut down over the last few weeks on my days off when the weather was alright, I'm dragging them out today. These three were along the driveway, and now I got two more over on the other side of the yard I'm going to try to get out. I don't know, that second log kind of gave my four-wheeler a little bit of struggle, and I think these logs might be a little bit bigger, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get the one out with my four-wheeler, but it's pretty cold today. The ground, other than right here where you saw breaking, there's water laying here. It rained all day yesterday, but the yard itself is frozen, so like I had to go into the yard to get those, and I tore up some of the turf, but it didn't dig down in, so anything I can just throw some grass seed out in the summer, fix that issue so I don't get in trouble. But yeah, I got these three logs out, try to get those other two out. I'll see what kind of time I got. I gotta go to work tonight. If I have time, try to get them loaded in the trailer, but if not, might wait till my next day's off. Alright, thanks for tuning in. I don't know about this one. I think it's gonna be a struggle for the four-wheeler to get. I think this is a 10-foot log bigger. Here goes nothing. Alright, plan B before I break my poor skidder four-wheeler. Why do you have your coloring book, dude? Can't do work with that. Alright, so here's plan B. I'm going to try hooking the chain around the bucket, lifting the front of the log up, and see if we can drag it out that way.
Can you turn around like this?
Yeah. Alright, lift her up a little bit. Alright, buddy, hold on. We're gonna back up. Well, that didn't go too bad. Got one more. Camera's dying, so I gotta go charge it, but got one more I gotta try to get out of there. It's a little bit bigger, but it's not as long. That was a 10-footer. Now I got an 8-footer.